Welcome to Lanner Showroom. Today we'll explore how Lanner Edge AI appliances are powering AI video analytics for public safety. Lanner delivers Edge AI platforms, purpose-built to power real-time video analytics for physical security. From factories and campuses to substations and airports, our solutions enable advanced visual detection right at the edge. In manufacturing and construction, Edge AI helps keep workers safe by detecting PPE compliance in real time. The EAI i133, an ultra-compact and NVIDIA Jetson Orin-powered Edge AI platform with integrated PoE support, enables precise PPE detection. Edge AI enables early fire and smoke detection in substations, where harsh conditions make rapid alerts essential to prevent damage and downtime. The EAI i251, a rugged Edge AI platform powered by NVIDIA Jetson Orin, features wide temperature operation and GMSL2 video inputs to enable real-time smoke and fire detection for critical infrastructure. Ensuring safety across distributed campuses requires real-time threat detection powered by Edge AI. The EAI i730 supports powerful NVIDIA L4 or A10 GPUs to deliver accurate gun detection in real time. Edge AI enables X-ray scanners to highlight threats automatically, enhancing security and speeding up screening. The EAI i731, powered by the NVIDIA L4 GPU, delivers advanced AI-powered X-ray image analysis. Thank you for watching this episode of the Lanner Showroom. To discover how Lanner's Edge AI can transform your security operations, please visit lannerinc.com to learn more. See you next time.